Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's video. First question, which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? The right answer is option C, leprosy. Next question, what does an AIDS virus contain? The right answer is option A, single-stranded RNA. The AIDS virus, specifically HIV, contains single-stranded RNA. HIV is a retrovirus and retroviruses have their genetic material in the form of RNA. What does the extensive use of molasses after fermentation produce? The right answer is option C, ethanol. The ethanol produced can be used as a biofuel or in alcoholic beverages. Nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing which crop? The right answer is option B, legume. Nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing legume crops like soybeans, peanuts, beans, peas, and clover. Which one of the following is the possible industrial application of bacteria? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Fermentation of sugars, production of vaccines, and cleaning of oil spills. What is the function of leg hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation? The right answer is option A, absorption of oxygen. Refrigeration is the process in which the right answer is option B, growth of bacteria is reduced. Refrigeration primarily reduces the growth of bacteria. It doesn't destroy them or render them completely inactive. It slows down their metabolism and reproduction, inhibiting their ability to multiply rapidly. This means that at refrigerator temperatures, bacterial growth is significantly reduced, but bacteria are not necessarily killed. Which one of the following disease is caused by bacteria? The right answer is option A, tuberculosis. Souring of milk is due to, the right answer is option B, bacteria. Next question, which nitrogen fixing bacteria is found in leguminous plant? The right answer is option C, rhizobium. Which bacteria is helpful in making curd from milk? The right answer is option B, lactobacillus. Virus is said to be, the right answer is option C, transitional group between living and non-living. TMV is related to, the right answer is option A, virus. Tobacco mosaic virus is a plant virus that primarily affects members of the Solanaceae family, including tobacco and tomato plants. It's known for causing mosaic-like patterns and discoloration on leaves. TMV is a tobamovirus and it's the first virus to be identified. The disease hydrophobia is caused due to, the right answer is option C, virus. Hydrophobia or the fear of water is a symptom of rabies, a viral disease that affects the central nervous system. It's caused by the rabies virus, which leads to painful spasms in the throat when a person tries to swallow, especially when exposed to water. This symptom is a late stage manifestation of rabies and is not an independent condition. Which one of the following contain no enzyme? The right answer is option B, virus. The virus which attack the blue-green algae are called, the right answer is option B, cyanophages. What does a virus made up of? The right answer is option D, nucleic acid and protein. The core component of a virus is its genetic material, which can be either DNA or RNA. This nucleic acid contains the instructions for the virus to replicate. This nucleic acid is encased in a protein coat called a capsid. The capsid protects the genetic material and helps the virus attach to and enter host cells. Some viruses may also have an outer envelope made of lipids and carbohydrates derived from the host cell's membrane. However, the essential components for a virus to be a virus are nucleic acid and protein. HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme called, the right answer is option A, reverse transcriptase. This enzyme converts the virus RNA genome into DNA, a process crucial for its replication within a host cell. This conversion process is a key step in the HIV life cycle and allows the virus to integrate its genetic material into the host's DNA. Which virus contain RNA as genetic material? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Reovirus, retrovirus, and ribovirus are the viruses that contain RNA as their genetic material. The water of holy river Ganga is pure due to the presence of, the right answer is option D, bacteriophages. The purity of the Ganga river's water is primarily attributed to the presence of bacteriophages, which are viruses that infect and kill bacteria, thus preventing bacterial growth. This self-purifying ability is a natural phenomenon, not a chemical treatment that helps maintain the river's water quality. The fact that supports the concept that viruses are living is that they, the right answer is option A, multiply themselves. Yeast used in making bread is a, the right answer is option D, fungus. Which of the following statement with regard to chromosome of bacteria is correct? The right answer is option C, both A and B. Bacteria always have a single chromosome and bacterial chromosome is circular. Viruses are parasitic, having DNA or RNA, but they can be crystallized and lack respiration. Thus, they are treated as, the right answer is option C, both living and non-living materials. Viruses show living characteristics when inside a host cell. They can reproduce and use the host's machinery. They show non-living characteristics outside a host. They can be crystallized, do not respire, and cannot reproduce on their own. So they are considered at the borderline of living and non-living. What is the non-living characteristic of virus among the following? The right answer is option A. It can be crystallized for many years. The disease AIDS is caused by, the right answer is option C, virus. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, also called HIV. HIV damages the immune system so that the body is less able to fight infection and disease. What is the causal organism of polio? The right answer is option D, a virus. Which of the following symbiotic associations forms a lichen? The right answer is option A, an algae and a fungus. What does an HIV virus destroy? The right answer is option B, T for lymphocytes, also known as CD4 plus T cells or helper T cells. A bacteria cell divides once every minute and take 1 hour to fill a cup. How much time it will take to fill half the cup? The right answer is option D, 59 minutes. If a bacteria cell divides once every minute and it takes 1 hour, means 60 minutes to fill a cup, it will take 59 minutes to fill half the cup. This is because in the 60th minute, the bacteria population doubles, filling the cup. Therefore, 1 minute prior at the 59th minute, the cup would have been half full. So friends, today's question is, what does HIV relate to? Write your answer in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.